Welcome back to the show. It's your boy, Nathan Bowden, here. And today, we got ourselves another unboxing for Black History Month. It's none other than Nakia from Black Panther 2, Wakanda Forever, baby. Wakanda Forever. So, this is Nakia's special attire from the movie. Picture shot. Outfit. What comes included. So, let's crack into it. Let's go. So let's hope. See anything in there? Nope. Let us hope the right figure is in here. Let's see. Trash. How many of us have it? Trash. Stuff we can't depend on. I see trash. So, we got our Build-A-Figure piece. Atuma's body. We've got her head. Just a regular old head. Hairs and braids. We've got open hands. Well, not open hands, but like weapon holding hands. And these are the weapons of choice. So these are her weapons. So let us open her up. Wow. Nice little green, blue armor. So she's got fist hand and she's got an open hand. So, interesting. In this version, she's wearing the helmet. So she can dive underwater. So, let's put on her fighting hands. She got her fighting hands. And let's give her her weapons. Her weapons of choice. Let's see. I mean, she's going to be fighting some Atlanteans. You got to have your weapon, right? Right. Let's bend these knees and these legs. Loosen them up a little bit. There we go. Nice to hear a little cracking every once in a while. Get a little cracking on. And there we go. Let's aim this up a little bit. Get her hands. And there's Nakia. And there you go. Nakia. She's ready to take on some Atlanteans to help protect Wakanda Forever. There we go. She's ready to fight. That's Nakia. Former Dormilaje, lover of T'Challa, Black Panther. So I just want to thank you guys for coming in, watching me unbox her, put her together, get in the pose. So thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. And all of you, have a good day. Peace.